I'm Lane Shaver. I'm a field application engineer for Boyd Corporation. Well, Boyd has an extensive experience in material selection, engineering, R&D work. In the marketplace today, the prototyping has to be really rapid, and it requires the ability to respond quickly and be able to make samples for the customer quickly. And so we have various ways to do that. Through laser cutting, water jetting, CNC manufacturing, we can produce samples quickly for customers to get them into production as fast as possible. So equipment like this is able to bring numerous materials together and register them so that we get an end product that meets a very tight tolerance. And at the end of the machine, we take it into the clean room and hand assemble it into a final part that gets sterilized. Every part we manufacture is inspected by a camera or by a human and packed, manually packed or mechanically packed, depending on how the part is produced. In the medical industry, it only takes one minor defect to be a problem. And so you want to make sure everything they get is a usable product that they don't have to worry about. For engineering here at Boyd, we try to interact with the customers and help provide them engineering support. I work very closely with the customers to provide an engineering process that provides them with the end product that they want and a product that we can produce cost effectively and efficiently for them.